In this tutorial, I'll show you how to make this smooth text animation in After Effects. Alright, so I have this text layer on the timeline, and the first thing for us to do is to click on the drop down arrow over here, and then click on Animate, and then choose Position. Change the value of the right side of the position setting to 100, and then click on Add, Property, and then choose Opacity, and then decrease the opacity to 0%. Nice. Now click on Range Selector 1, and for the starting frame of the timeline, change the offset value to -100 and click on the stopwatch. Then move the time indicator a few seconds forward on the timeline and then change the offset value to 100%. Great, this is how the text looks so far. And as you can see, we have few more steps to go, so click on the advanced section and then change the shape to ramp up. And this is how it looks. But that's not all, of course. We need to change the ease high value to 25% or 30% and the ease low value to 100% to get that extra smoothness. And if you want, of course, you can go up and activate the motion blur. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Also, feel free to watch this next tutorial and maybe check out my store for awesome text presets.